Have you ever sent a message to someone just to realize you have sent it to the wrong person? Yep, that can happen. And Outlook has a tool to help you to minimize that problem. So I'm gonna give you an example here. I'm gonna create a new message and I'm gonna send it to one of my other accounts that I have linked here on Outlook. So I'm just gonna send it to my second account. So as soon as you send the email and you have realized you have sent it to the wrong person, the first thing to do is to go to Send Items on Outlook and double click the email. So you want to open up on a new window. So double click it. What you want to do is that you want to go to Actions and you want to recall this message. And it's going to give you two options. The first option is going to delete unread copies of this message from the inbox of the recipient, and the second option is going to delete unread copies and replace with a new message. For this instance, I just want to delete the message, and also there's an option to let me know if it succeeds or fails. So I'm going to press OK, and as soon as you do that, you're going to get a new line here that says you tried to recall this message on this particular day, this particular time, which is today. If we jump to my second account, we're gonna see that we have a message here on the inbox that have been recalled, and it says that Paulo Basso would like to recall this message, secrets. And the message was successfully recalled. I did not receive any messages letting me know that it was successful or failed, but it can be because I'm logged in with both accounts. Although this tool works, I don't consider it to be a very reliable tool, as I have seen it failing a few times, and I would definitely highlight the importance of making sure that you always check the recipient's address before you click send. Having said that, I would use this tool as a last resort, and I would definitely use this when dealing with an emergency scenario. Just please be aware that this tool would only recall unread messages, so depending how fast you recall the message, if the recipient already opened the sent email, the message will not be recalled successfully. And that's how to use the recall function on Outlook.